I'm Carolina Winarchuk. I'm from Orange County Animal Services. This is Pele. She was recently rescued from a house fire. The family that found her had her for about 2 weeks, and they were going to turn her into the shelter, but then unfortunately there was a house fire. Orange County Fire Rescue and one of our animal services officers were able to go out and help her, and now she's at the shelter looking for her former family or for a new home if they never come. Pele is a 6-month-old pup. We're not too sure what her breed is. She'll probably get a little bigger. She looks like she's going to heal well from her burn injuries, and she's so energetic, active, and very treat motivated. So friendly. She gets along with everyone. She gives everyone kisses, and she's just as sweet as can be. Pele doesn't seem to mind at all that she's been burned. She's so sweet. She's very active and energetic, and her burns don't seem to bother her one bit. She has been getting treatment for it at the shelter, and once she's adopted, she'll get further treatment from her new vet.
Orlando setting on newspaper, check it out, yeah, do us the favor, promise that you will love it later, I promise, we got Central Florida flavor, yeah.